Hello and welcome back, guys. So now in this video we'll basically hit a fetch request and map the data. So now that I have this parameters, if you guys can see this thing, if you guys saw the previous video, we had an object of id, this parameter. So we can basically destructure this thing, and I'm gonna use id directly over here. So I'll get the id from here. So now I'm gonna do the same thing, fetch. You know what, I'm very lazy, I'm just gonna copy the whole fetch request that is over here. I'm gonna paste it right over here, and instead of writing this thing, I'm gonna write hyphen. I'm gonna pass in the id. All right, and I'll create posts. Basically that would be a single post, and I'm gonna write use state, and this will be an object. And yeah, set post data. So let me write console.log and let me check what is the value that I'm getting. Use state is not defined because I have not imported it. Now I have imported it. Now it looks great. So as you guys can see, I'm getting the id 5 post. So if I write single post 1, I should get the value of single post. So as you guys can see, I'm getting it. So now there is one more way of checking this. Instead of writing console log, we can go to network. We can press this button to clear off all of the ideally you will be on all, press fetch xhr, press reload. See, as you guys can see, it's doing a bunch of requests because we are on code sandbox, but somewhere over here you will get your get the request that you're sending. So which is this one, I believe, single post.js. From the source is this one, right? Initiator is single post.js. So for now, if I click this thing, it will give us more details about it. It will tell that the status code is 200. That means it is successful. And now if I press preview will basically give me what is the response that I'm getting from the server. So this is the response that I'm getting from the server. I'm getting the title, I'm getting the body. So now I'm just going to write h1 over here, and I'm gonna write post dot title. Okay, and instead of this thing, I'm gonna write paragraph tag. Okay, and over here, as I already told you, I'm not gonna get into this styling. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste. I'm gonna write the description and write body, some random data that we are getting, and I'm gonna write this is the post. This is the first post. So now if I press back, I'm getting this is the 5th post, this is the 3rd post. Now if I go to the home page again, and if I press the all posts, I'm getting all of the data. And now if I choose one particular value, I'm getting a single value over here. It's great, isn't it? So you have basically learned everything that you need to know about React Router DOM. Not everything exactly, but the main concept behind it. If you want to learn more, then you can go to this website called React Router DOM, reactrouter.com, and over here you can learn about the documentation and more things that you need to learn about it. So like the main things that you'll be using is the one that I've already shown you, so you don't have to go to the documentation. But if there's a special need, then you can just feel free to go to that website and learn about it a little bit more, because of course I cannot cover everything that there is inside the documentation, because there will be new things added every month or every week inside that thing. So I'm gonna leave that over here, and in the next video we will basically on the home page, I'm gonna give one more button on the home page, I'm gonna give a button that something like create post, and we will basically create a post. So I hope that you guys can do that by yourself. Just try it out by yourself, but if it doesn't work, then you guys can watch it with me. So that's it, and see you all guys over there. Till then, goodbye and take care.